How to download your data from Google Takeout, I'm going to show you here, guys. I'm logged into my Google account here, okay? I'm going to click on the profile picture, and after I click, I'll select this option to manage my Google account. And on this page, you come here to the menu on the side, and in this menu, you click on this option, Data and Privacy. After clicking, scroll down. You can keep scrolling and you'll find the option to download your data. Scroll down a bit more. There you go. Here in the Tools section, you'll see the option to download your data. Click on this option and you'll be taken to the Google Takeout page, okay? Here, guys, you have all the services. Notice there are 77 services here. In this case, you can uncheck some of these services if you don't want their data, or if you prefer, you can leave them all checked here on the side, okay? Keep in mind that the more services you have checked here, the larger the data size will be, so it will automatically take a bit longer. So as I said, you can either select all of them, okay? It's up to you. You can leave everything selected. Just scroll down a bit more, go all the way to the bottom of the page, and at the very end, click on Next Step. There, you'll choose the file type, frequency, and destination. Starting here with the destination, okay? So notice that it's set to be sent via a link by email. By clicking on this option here, you can also choose where you want to save these Google Takeout data. I'm going to leave it set to send by email, but if you want to save it to OneDrive, Box, Dropbox, it's up to you, okay? I'm going to leave it set to send by email. Now here, you can choose the frequency. I just want it once. You can choose to have them send it to you every 2 months for a year, so it's up to you. I just want it once, so I'll leave it as it is. And now here you have the file type. In this case, they're going to send it to me in a zip format. You can change it if you want, but I'll leave it as it is and just click here to export. Click on this option. As you can see here, it's in progress. Google is creating a copy of your data, okay, from all the products you selected, in this case, 75. Since I selected several products, this process might take a little while, okay, guys? It can take hours or days, and they'll send it by email. Let me show you that depending on the data you selected, it can arrive quickly, okay? Since I chose email, after you select it and they process it, they'll send you an email letting you know that your data is ready to be downloaded. As you can see here, I just need to click here to manage this data. I'm going to click, it'll load here, and then there will be a button for you to download, okay? I had already downloaded it, but I'm going to click here to download it again to show you. It downloaded, as you can see here. I'm going to click to open it. Clicking to open, there's the folder. You click on it. Again, you can click, and here are the data, okay? Here there are 2 files. You can click. I'm going to click on this first file. All the data is here, guys. Of course, I'm covering up the information. Since this account is new, there isn't that much data, but you'll find the name, your Google account ID, and much more. I hope I helped those who wanted to know how to download their data from Google Takeout. If I helped, don't forget, help me too. Subscribe to the channel.